Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm working on DIY Kente ornaments. I've seen these ornaments on the internet, and when I went to go look for the price, I was surprised that they were selling for almost $20 per ornament. So I'm going to show you how to make one for a fraction of the price. For this project, I'm using the standard size ornament, and I got these ornaments at Walmart in a pack. Leftover Kente like fabric that I had in my stash, but I got it from Joann's Fabrics originally. And I will also be using tacky glue. You can use either tacky glue or Mod Podge. I prefer tacky glue. I think it has a better hold, and I like the fact that it doesn't really bleed through the fabric. Please see the description box below for more details. This ornament project is pretty simple to make. So basically I'm taking the ornament, I'm using the tacky glue and the sponge brush that you see, and using the sponge brush to apply the glue, and then using small scraps of Kente fabric to go around the ornament. And the trick is just using small square size fabric pieces to go around the ornament, and it pulls better and it holds a better shape if you just use small square or rectangle size pieces. So there you have it. It's quick, it's fun, and will cost you a fraction of what you will find online. So if you guys enjoyed this video and want to help support the channel and see me create more crafts, please be sure to subscribe and to hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching.